Do you ever feel like your energy is running on empty? In today's fast-paced world, finding the strength to go through your day can be a challenge. Many of us struggle with low energy levels and sluggish metabolism. Now, imagine a natural solution that helps transform tiredness into vibrant energy, fueling your day from within. Introducing Mitolyn, a breakthrough in natural wellness that supports mitochondrial health and sparks the energy you need. This innovative supplement is designed to work with your body, boosting energy, enhancing metabolism, and aiding in fat burning for a healthier, more active lifestyle. Each carefully selected ingredient in Mitolyn is botanical and packed with antioxidants. They work together to help your body convert stored fat into vital energy. Every day, millions face the common dilemma of feeling fatigued and weighed down by sluggish metabolism. You might have tried countless solutions that promised a boost, yet left you disappointed and drained of hope. The struggle with low energy can feel like an uphill battle, but there is a transformative alternative. Mitolyn is your natural ally in the quest for better metabolic health. Imagine waking up with a renewed sense of energy, ready to conquer your day. At its core, Mitolyn is more than just a supplement. It is a commitment to natural well-being. The formulation is non-GMO and features botanical ingredients that work in harmony with your body's natural processes. Without relying on harsh stimulants, Mitolyn gently encourages your mitochondria to perform at their best, enhancing the ability to burn fat efficiently. This means more than just weight loss. It's about regaining the energy and vitality that make life more enjoyable. As you witness the benefits of Mitolyn, you'll notice smoother transitions in your day. Mornings become moments of clarity, your afternoons burst with sustained energy, and evenings feel more fulfilling. The carefully crafted blend of antioxidants nurtures your cells, helping them function optimally. With each use, customers report feeling more empowered, more in tune with their bodies, and better equipped to meet everyday challenges. These testimonials of transformative change bring hope to anyone who has ever felt caught in the drag of low energy. Visualize the clean, modern packaging that reflects the purity of Mitolyn's natural ingredients. Picture the certification logos that stand as a testament to a commitment to quality and safety, produced in state-of-the-art, certified facilities. This is not just a supplement. It is a promise to support your journey towards better health. The dedication to quality ensures that every capsule meets high standards, guaranteeing you a product you can trust. The journey to transformation can sometimes seem daunting, but every step forward is a victory. As you nourish your body with the power of nature, you begin to feel an uplifting clarity that was once elusive. Each day, the struggle with low energy dissipates, replaced by a steady drive to be the best version of yourself. There is a profound sense of empowerment when you realize that nature holds the key to unlocking your true potential. Now is your moment to seize the opportunity for change. Embrace the promise of renewed energy and improved metabolic health. Experience the natural transformation, and let Mitolyn guide you toward a life filled with vigor and confidence. This is your invitation to revitalize your body without risk, thanks to the 90-day satisfaction guarantee. Feel the difference. Reclaim your vitality. Embrace natural energy, and transform your well-being with Mitolyn today. Your journey to a healthier, more energetic life starts now. Try Mitolyn risk-free and step into a revitalized life.